have our Polk Design shift knob that was given to us. We got our Mr. Grip shift knob, and then now our Louis Vuitton-ish bag shift boot cover. And then we have the diamond plate floorboards or floor mats, whatever you want to call them. They are permanently installed. And then now we are going to, I think what is one of my favorite things that I think we're gonna do to this thing. It is just so absolutely perfect for this car. I don't think there's anything out there that we could have done that would have been better. We got some door cards in, and they're not like the other door cards that you'll see online. These are the LRB Speed full aluminum door cards. We had them customize them, so basically, or we could take it over here. So in the, in the options, you can get no door speaker, which obviously not having any speakers, we don't want the hole there. And then we have the roll-up doors, so then we have that. We could have done the electronic doors and then didn't have that hole, but it's fine. And then we had no armrest. But as you can see, these are full aluminum door cards, unlike some of the other companies that make these, where it only goes up to about here, and then you still have to use the arm pad that goes up top. And this car being almost entirely metal, and that's almost the theme of it, I wanted these door cards, and we ended up getting them, and I'm pretty excited to put these on. I think this is really going to be like a huge improvement for the interior, and you know, after this, we really only need like a dash, and it'll start coming together slowly. But I think this is really like one of the biggest things for me. I kind of hate having this stripped door look, but it's gonna look pretty damn awesome, and we're gonna start installing them. It comes with hardware and straps, and of course we just decided to go with a gray strap. You get like 8 different colors or something like that. These are like, had a bunch of different options that you could do, but I basically just did as little amount of holes as possible, and then, you know, gray strap. So we're gonna get to installing these things. Just take it off real quick. But I mean, is that not the most perfect door card for this car? And then they give you the hardware, and it'll look all nice and up against there and everything. And then we only have one window crank. I can't even get it out right now, but it's in the center, so that way if I do need to use them, but I think we will get another one. That way it just kind of cleans this up and looks nice. And then the door strap obviously goes right here. But seriously, so clean, nice. It's like a real nice, like brushed look too. I wish the whole car could look like this door card. Interesting. No way. They make it so it like screws into the factory holes, I think.
Really? You have to do anything? Yeah, I mean, it looks like it.
Installation is pretty straightforward. Remove the old door panels, transfer the window stripping from the old to the new. Hang upper and throw. Install all screws, leaving them loose until they've all been threaded in. Wow. That is like extremely simple. And then this, I imagine, is just, you put this through into there. Oh yeah, and then it goes into here to the top hole for the armrest. So that way it's, you know, really stuck to the door when you're closing it. This should be extremely easy. Look at how nice that is.
Yeah, it's so nice. That's a fat head too. Adds a really nice touch to the car.
Dude, this is so nice. Never would I have thought that it would be this easy. Like,
I had a feeling it would be.
Easy, yeah. I thought these were like clips and they would clip into the factory thing, but this is like
easier than that.
So easy.
Stupid easy.
Mainly because I didn't have to take anything off. But
yeah,
even to take these door panels off is like 3 seconds in a screwdriver. That is so awesome. We're gonna have to take this top off and like, look at that. That is so perfect. That's so awesome. It looks so good. Just me? Like no one else uses them? Dude, looks perfect. Let's go get some new window cranks. And we'll be good. They look so good. And they're so clean and simple. No garbage you don't need. I'm not sure if the factory, like little things that go right here, if you can install them. I'll have to look it up real quick. And then if you can, I'll probably just get some just so it looks a little bit cleaner.
Why? Is it like a trim or something?
Yeah, it's like a little trim piece and it just, it's like plastic. It goes right here. Screws in right there. It'll be super easy to screw in here. But this looks fine for now. We'll just get some window cranks just so that's not sticking out right there. And we're gonna have to crank up the windows too for our new tint. Well, I'm back empty-handed from AutoZone. They didn't have two of the door handles that I wanted. It was the old GM style. I know I had them on my Camaro, or at least they looked exactly the same. I'm not sure if the spline would match up, but I would have just tested it, and if it didn't work, whatever. But anyways, other than that, I ordered my axle seal, so that way we'll be able to get this thing hopefully fixed by the time the show comes, so that way I'm not leaking a bunch of diff fluid. If you remember the first day that I brought it from the other house to here, it was leaking a bunch out of the diff and it was going out on the exhaust and burning off and creating a bunch of smoke. Worst case scenario, whatever, I'll just drive it. It's only a couple miles away. Anyway, so these door carts aren't going to be entirely finished today. We're going to have to get some window cranks in, but if you guys are interested in these things, I will have the link in the description. Trust me, these things are so awesome. And if you don't have a car that's quite like this and entirely stripped, they do allow for the factory kind of felt trim that goes up against the window there. And this is 100% factory fit. As you saw, we did absolutely no modifications to get this thing to fit, and it was super easy to install. I'm super happy, and this is one of my favorite mods up to date. Even though it's so simple, it just cleans up so much of the interior. One more thing before I go, I have a 10% off discount coupon code. I will have all of the information in the description if you're interested in any of the LRB Speed products. Anyways guys, that's gonna be it for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and peace out.
My heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.